How to create a Roblox account. Everyone, select Create Account. Enter your date of birth. Next, enter a username. After entering your username, you'll see 3 check marks like this. This Roblox account is now ready to use. If any of the lines are red or show an X like this, you'll need to choose a different username. After entering your username, select your gender. Select Continue. Now, enter a password for your Roblox account. After entering your password, select Done. That's all it takes to create a Roblox account.